Die vrou wat sedert Sondag 5 Februarie op 'n eetstaking is uit protes teen die beplande tolplaza en kantoorgebou op Chapman's Peak, het Maandag na 15 dae haar eetstaking verbreek. Mevrou Bronwyn Lankes-Byrne het egter nie haar protes laat vaar nie. Sy het Sondag deur die versperring om die bouwerk geglip en haar by 'n mede-aktivis, mevrou Fiona Hines, aangesluit. Hines is al sedert Woensdag op die bouterrein. Maandagoggend vroeg het Lankes-Byrne haar tuis gemaak in 'n gat wat om een van die pilare gegrawe is. Die burger het die bouterrein besoek.
Okay, 3 guys lifted this fence here. I was standing over there. The next thing, she slid under the fence and she ran around and she stood next to me and gave me the first hug I've had for 5 days. And I started crying and she started crying and we both started laughing and we just said, we've done it. And she just said, I'm here, I'm inside now, they're not going to get me out. And she said, tomorrow she's going in the pit, and tomorrow is today. She's in the pit, there she is, she's got her umbrella going up and her hat going on. She climbed in there this morning at 6 o'clock. She slept in this tent last night next to me. And of course we didn't have supper together because she was still fasting. She started fruit juice last night. She had honey in the tent with her, so she's had sips of honey. This morning I ceremonially took her a bowl of pawpaw and she broke her fast this morning with everyone watching and she ate pawpaw for the first time.
Lede van die Houtbaai se polisie het Maandagoggend 10:00 by die bouperseel opgedaag en probeer om die vroue te ooreed om die perseel te verlaat, maar hulle het voet by stuk gehou. Maandagmiddag was die polisie terug met die versoek dat die vroue saam met hulle na die polisiestasie gaan vir ondervraging. Die vroue het egter geweier om saam te gaan. Die beamptes het nie 'n lasbrief by hulle gehad nie en hulle het die perseel later onverrigter sake verlaat.